Hello everyone, my name is Theresa Miller, Director of Technical Advocacy at Cohesity. Today we are going to take a look at how you can take advantage of multi-cloud simplicity for recovery using our DataProtect as a service offering. Organizations today may be required to manage multiple workloads across multiple clouds. And with the native tools, there's not the opportunity to have a centralized view of all of those workloads, as well as different systems to protect and recover your data. With Cohesity DataProtect as a service, we offer the ability to protect your workloads from a similar viewpoint in the same console. And today we're going to take a look at a few different capabilities. One, some of our enhancements around protecting and recovering M365 workloads, our AWS RDS Postgres recovery, and Azure VM recovery. So here we are on our Cohesity dashboard where we can get an overview of everything going on in our environment. From a sources perspective, you can see that we have many cloud workloads registered. I have AWS, Azure, and M365. The other notable piece here is that we offer you the ability to protect your workloads to different regions. So you could have AWS or Azure on the back end of where that data is being kept once it's protected. Beyond that, let's go ahead now and take a look at some of the new capabilities. I'm going to go ahead and click into my Microsoft 365 environment. From an M365 perspective, we're going to first look at how you can restore private Teams chats as well as group chats. So let's look. We first have Danny Rand. I'm going to go ahead and click Danny. And because we've been backing up his mailbox, all I need to do is download the private chats. As part of the private chats download, I can go back to the point in time in which I want to review the chats, select that as the recovery point, and then click Recover. While that is getting ready, let's go ahead and head over to Teams for the Teams group chats. So this is going to revolve around my safety team, and I'm going to go ahead and download these chats. We also refer to them as Teams posts. We're going to go ahead and edit our recovery point and click Select and click Recover. Now, in terms of monitoring the progress of these, we can head over to the activity log and we can see that these are running. Now, when they're complete, you'd be able to click Download Chats on each of these to review. Now, for you today, I have proactively done this step, and let me go ahead and just show you what this looks like. So here is the private Teams chat between Danny Rand and Bruce Banner that we restored. And then here is the group chat that occurred as part of that safety teams team for review. And this was all done with our recovery process. Go ahead and move that over. Now I'm going to go ahead and transition to our AWS Postgres restore. So similar to what we did before, I head into Sources and I'm going to click AWS and then I'm going to click RDS. Now I have multiple Postgres databases here, but there's one in particular that I'm going to go ahead and do a restore on. I'm going to go ahead and click Recover. I'm going to choose all of my defaults with the exception of adding a different prefix and click Recover. Now what's happening behind the scenes is we're restoring that database and it's going to automatically bring that back into my list of databases that can be protected going forward. The last part of my demo for today is to show you how to restore an Azure VM. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Azure. I'm going to choose the server that I have and I'm going to click Recover. Today, I'm going to go back to my original location, but I'm going to put a prefix on here so that after the restore, I have the ability to review the system before I put it into production and even rename it. So that has initiated. I'm now going to head over to the activity log. I can also see that I have that restore running of my Azure VM. Now we can click Show Subtasks and we can see that the task has been created and the restore will be next. That wraps up my demo on multi-cloud simplicity for recovery using our DataProtect as a service offering. Thank you.